Charles Darwin said it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change.
Let's talk in general.
Following Darwin's philosophy, Airbus forecasts that in the 20 years ahead, freight ton-kilometer will grow by 4.8% and aircraft demand will be 2,730, including 875 new aircraft.
It's all at 3.6%. European consumer confidence is at a 2-year high. People's Republic of China, what has been forecast as a rapid downturn, has slowed down as well.
Business volume for new freighters in the next 2 decades will be 234 billion, and mid-sized freighters will make up 45%.
And that is something where today we see a problem in the short term going forward.
So, how you can communicate on ground in Asia. Actually, it's much more difficult actually in Asia than actually the situation, for example, in Europe. And it's just from geography. Actually, you have competition from even high-speed trains. Today, high-speed trains are also doing better in China. In the morning, they put express packages in the train. So we do take that into account. Nevertheless, you have markets where actually aircraft will still be better, and this is what the kind of tools we are using. And that's why actually, we say 4.8% traffic growth, and in terms of fleet growth, it's only 2.9%. So 2.9% actually, it's you have a significant discount, from aircraft size. So from 4.8 to 2.9. So you have aircraft size, you have load factors improvements, and you have also to take into account the fact that on some specific markets, belly capacity will change significantly actually.
In conclusion, Airbus believes that the future freighters proportion will be 45% mid-sized freighters, 22% small-sized freighters, and 33% large freighters.